Hello and welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today we are doing a puddle swipe on this large 30 by 61 centimeter canvas, which is 12 by 24 inch. I've got some Amsterdam paints, the standard series, and Liquitex basics, and we've got the blues and the purples and some iridescent white. And I'll be using the Amsterdam white as my swipe mix. I've mixed these with a pouring medium of half Australian Floetrol and half Liquitex Pouring Medium. So I did a great swipe last video, worked really well, but it was slightly different. I had a little bit more Liquitex Pouring Medium than I did the Aussie Floetrol. So we'll see how this goes. I mean, that one was all metallics. There's a little bit of damage to this canvas. I've taped it underneath and painted it white to hopefully seal it a bit. But this is practice for me, so let's get pouring. I'm going to start with the darker colours. Oh, I'm a little bit nervous because I did so well last time. I'm afraid that it's not going to go as well this time, but we'll see. I've got a bit of this house paint left. I'm just gonna do a bit of a squiggle through this. Alright, let's get our swipes done. Hope there's enough paint there. Alright, so I want to see if I can take some of this colour through. Here we go. That. Let's have a go at tilting. This is a bit of extender. Here's where the crack is in the canvas. So here it is wet, and there's some great stuff and a big problem. Let's have a look at the good stuff. The lacing, we did it again. Oh my goodness. I love this through here. That's really pretty. This is going to be interesting. This has got the iridescent white through it. It's, you know, it's very different. It's not the lacing. We've got some sharp lines through here. The lacing continues, and I'd say there's some iridescent white going through here and up here as well, and then some really bold lacing there. Now the big problem is here, where there was that tear in the canvas, and I put a piece of tape behind, but it's all sinking by the looks of it. And there's a bit here I tried to fix, which I don't like. So I think what I'm going to do, there's a few blue patches from the other paint too that I don't like either. So we'll see how it dries, but I think I might cut this down, because if it's really pretty, I could take 5 centimeters off the bottom and a bit off each side, and it could turn out quite good. So I'll show you when it's dry. Okay, here is the dried result, and this is actually quite pretty. So let's start over here. We do have quite a bit of the iridescent white happening. You can see through here and through here. This is a bit softer, I guess. This, we'll come back to this. I've got a couple of the blue patches from the house paint just on the edge there. Then we've got some more iridescent white going through here, bit of shine. And then this here is my favorite bit, and that has iridescent white through it as well to give it a bit of shine. But I just love the lacing just through here. It's really pretty. This lacing here I wish I hadn't done, so that's something to keep in mind in the future. I love the blue with the iridescent white through here. And back to this, I don't know if anyone else can see it, but to me this is like a little one-eyed monster. This is the eye, it's looking that way, and a mouthful of teeth. And then we've got the actual monster in the room, which is the crack. So I've taken the tape off now. I'll just turn it over, and you can see that the paint's leaked through, and it's actually quite rough. So looking at the piece overall, this whole strip down the bottom I'm not missing anything by cutting off the bottom. So I've seen some frames that are 25 by 50, and this is 30 by 60. So I can take 5 centimeters off the bottom, 5 centimeters off the side here will help me get rid of this, and it'll help me get rid of these on this side. So I think it actually, I haven't taken one off the frame before, so that'll be something for me to do, and cut it up. But I'll buy the frame first, and I'm going to put it in a frame, and I'll show you guys when I've done that in another video. But yeah, so very happy that I managed to make up some paints again that worked the same. These were obviously the better paints than the last video. Yeah, so I'm going to keep practicing my lacing for a little bit, so you'll see a few more of these videos before I change it up. So if you like this one, guys, don't forget to hit that like button so that other people can see it. And that's it for that one. Oh, I'm just looking at the iridescent white through here. So pretty. Yeah, sorry, that's it for that one. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.